iOS 27 came with a lot of new features, and one of them is support for a new set of keyboards, including Afrikaans, Galician, and Indigenous languages. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Even after 20 years, Apple is still adding support for different virtual keyboards on its devices. And although new keyboard layouts rarely make headlines or get too much airtime, they're always a welcome addition for users who make native language still unsupported. For iOS 27 and its other operating systems, Apple's introducing several new keyboards with typing and UI improvements across many supported languages. iOS 27's new keyboards list includes Afrikaans, Basque, Babyan, Filipino English, Galician, Guarani, indigenous languages like Blackfoot, Comanche, Cree, Kiowa, and Tsuut'ina, Luxembourgish, Xhosa, and Zulu. Not only this, but Apple says iOS 27 and its counterparts will also bring several typing improvements, such as automatic punctuation when typing on multilingual keyboards, Shizy typing, faster loading of emoji and sticker keyboards, faster multilingual text processing for handwriting in multiple languages, improved conversion from phonetic scripts like Pinyin and Kana when typing in simplified Chinese and Japanese, new keyboard layout for Slovenian and Estonian, new UI language for Filipino and Canadian English, on-screen context for more relevant typing suggestions for Chinese and Japanese, quick path and typing suggestions for Vietnamese VNI keyboard, punctuation suggestions as you type in Chinese, and smart language and keyboard configuration suggestions. For anyone who spoke a language other than the popular ones, this update feels like they're finally being seen. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.